Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you want to launch an online store but worried about cost, today I will show you how to create a free online store using Shopify. Take advantage of free trials and free tools so you can start selling without spending any upfront. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to create an account in Shopify. So when you will come over here, you just need to click on this button called Start for Free. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next place where they will give you an options called start your free trial 3-day free, then 3 months for 1 month $1. That's really amazing. In 2025, Shopify actually offers this plan, and sometimes you will get 1 or 2 extra months for just $1 per month, which is basically free to test your store. Sign up your email, create your store name, and answer a few questions. Once you're done, you will land it inside your Shopify dashboard. Your free store is ready to bid. We already did, and we are also in our Shopify plan trial version. As you can see, less than a day left in your trial. So now you just need to pick a free theme. Like, you just need to come over here online store, and actually I will suggest you to go with this plan called Dawn theme. This is the free one, and it is really suggested by Shopify to use this one because it is a lightweight theme and it's so much easy to customize. So here, if you want to customize this, like, this looks clean, mobile friendly, and don't cost things. This is the advantage. And just pick on, like, then click customize to open and drag and drop editor. You just need to click over here and it will open drag and drop editor. And now here actually you just need to add your logo. You just need to change everything as it you want. You just need to change all of those. So here you have all this authority to do changes in this panel, and it is a drag and drop editor, so you can easily make it as it you want. So all with zero extra cost you can do this thing. Now when you complete, you found out that your customization is looking good. Now you just need to add free products or drop shipping. Now how you do sales products with no inventory cost? Use drop shipping. You only pay your supplier when you get an old order. Like, install free drop shipping apps like Shipper. We already installed this one called Shippers. Here you can see the apps. Like, go to the apps and you can actually see that we have the Shipper, AliExpress drop shipping, and here this is the platform, this is the website we have. So if I click Shipper, this is the one. So you can install free drop shipping app. Then you just need to find your product and import them to your store, write your description and set your price. You never have to buy stock upfront. It's perfect if you are just starting out. Once it's complete, now you just need to set up your payments method. So you just need to come over here to the setting again and go to the payments, and here actually you will get the option to add your payment method. Just click this one, and here just search your payment. Like, it could be anything. It could be Stripe, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever. You can search for Payoneer also. You can see these options available here: Clear Pay, Stolen Pay, then Astis Pay, Pay Me, Pay Now, whatever you can see here. It's accepted in your country. You can go with the options. You can also add free options like PayPal Express checkout, which is easy for customer and does not cost your upfront. No experienced merchant account needed. So it is a full built-in. So launch. Now when you complete, you just need to launch your free store. Before launching, check your store on desktop and mobile. Please test it. Like, here you just need to come over here and check out, is it mobile friendly or not. Just click this one, and here actually you can see it is mobile friendly and it looks amazing. The product is also mobile friendly. Once you feel that it is really good, you can now go ahead. Then you just need to place an order also to see that is it working perfectly or not. Just click to add to cart, and here you too will be added. The product origin, this one is storage sold out, so you just need to select another one. Just click add to cart, is it available. So you just need to check this out, that does your inventory have product or not. Once you feel that your product is ready, now you just need to go and publish your website, and then pick Shopify lowest balance. Remember, you can often get your first month for just $1, so you basically have a month to make sales before paying anything real. Remove your password page, hit publish, and you are live with no upfront inventory cost and almost no setup cost. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.